Hello students, Nakshi Sinha is here, Maths Gyan. This is a question for competition point of view. We have to find the value of x. X की वैल्यू निकालनी है. ABC is a triangle है. CD D is the midpoint. This is not exactly in middle. Any point on AB. AB पे कोई point है. This is 6x. This angle is 6x. This angle is 2x. This is 90 minus x. This is not known to us. This AC is equal to DB. ये कंडीशन दे रखी है. x निकालनी है. AC is equal to DB already given. AC is equal to DB. We have to find the value of x. What we have to do? क्या करें? फिगर पे बिल्कुल ना जाए. कोशिश करते हैं. सबसे पहले D से इसके बराबर एक आर्क लीजिए इस तरह से. एग्जिट दिस और इसको रोटेट करके इसको करके ऐसी जगह पर ये ऐसे जोड़िए in such a way so that don't go on figure that CD is equal to, suppose this is point E. It means we have joined in such a way that DE is equal to CD. DC. This is equal to this. If this is equal to this is 90 minus x. It means this will be also 90 minus x. Okay. Draw. क्या ड्रॉ किया? CD equal to DE. Okay. It means angle DCE. This will be equal to angle CED. Okay. Okay. Now, in triangle ACD, this is given to us 2x, this is given 6x, this is given to us 2x. These are the internal angle ACD and angle CAD are the internal angle of this triangle. ACD के this and this are the internal angle. It means this addition, as per the theory, addition of the internal angle of a triangle is always equal to the external angle. Okay, correct? So it means 6x, this one plus this one will be equal to this one. Okay, it means क्या हुआ? Angle 2x plus angle 6x, this will be equal to angle CDB. Okay, CDB. This one, this will be equal to 8x. Correct? Okay. This is 8x. Okay. एक बात तो ये हुई, this is 8x. Whole angle is 8x. But this arms is equal to this arms. It means this angle is equal to this angle. ये हमने कर रखा है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, this addition of these three angle is also 180. इसमें एक लाइन इधर भी लिख दें. In this addition of these angle, 90, it means in triangle CDE, 90 minus x, this angle 1 plus 2 angle 90 minus x plus this angle, suppose alpha, plus alpha, this will be equal to 180. It means 180 minus 2x plus alpha is equal to 180. 180 what we cancel, it means alpha is equal to 2x. Alpha is equal to 2x. It means this will be equal to 2x only. This portion is 2x. It means this will be 6x. Clear? Because this whole is 8x. 8x था, इसमें से ये 2x हो गया, तो this portion will be 6x. Okay? Clear? Okay. अब DEB, इस ट्रायंगल में देखिए DEB, इन ट्रायंगल DEB we are having angle 6x in between this line and this line. Angle 6x is in between DE and DB. ठीक है ना? DE and DB. अच्छा, 6x angle is also here. ये भी है. And in here at point C, angle 6x is between CD and CA, where CD is equal to DE. CD is equal to DE and CA is equal to DB. But CD is equal to CD. This is CD is equal to DE. हमने draw किया. We have drawn this. CD is equal to DE drawn by us. We have drawn this. And AC is already given to us DB. It means ये एक isosceles triangle हो गया. It means the third angle, this will by virtue will be equal to in इस point के सामने जो angle है, that will be 2x. This angle will be equal to 2x. इस point पे 6x के सामने जो वाला angle है AD पर 6 के सामने जो है वो ये वाला angle हो जाएगा. Okay? It means this angle B will be, it means that angle B will be equal to 2x, because this is the point at which this is 6 angle. This arm is equal to this arm. This arm is equal to this arm. It means ये वाले इस point पे जो angle है, this will be this angle. Okay? It means we are now having all the three angles of this ABC point. Hence, triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 2x, angle C will be equal to 6x plus 90 minus x, and angle B is equal to 2x. The addition of these three angles will be 180 further, and 2x plus, because and angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180. जितने भी एंगल होंगे that will be equal to 180. It means this is 2x plus 6x plus 90 minus x plus 2x. This is equal to 180. Or 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9x will be equal to 90 will there at 90. It means x will be 10. This is answer. This is answer. These are competitive questions. Those who are very much interested in going to attend any competition, they can do it. This is for the purpose of CAT, VAT, Z, NTPC, IPSC, and so on and so on. So that please take the interest in maths. Keep in touch with me. Enjoy the maths. Okay, good night.